Charlie. Hi, how are you? Charlie on the prowl. Anybody that wants to wrestle me, I'm willing to pay. Rules about the river. Yeah, the match will be narrated, obviously. And like I tell you, you don't marry an Italian male. Funds or the money, it's all controlled by this guy here.
In today's video, we take a deep dive into the logistics of the bungalow, and we even catch a sneak peek of Charlie's father. This is a special episode. Stay tuned, guys.
You put this in like that. Trouble is, he left the umbrella open all winter. Now, what do you think's gonna happen when you leave an umbrella open all winter?
It's gonna fall apart.
It's gonna rip apart. Let's make it more like Tooky. So I want to get like this stuff here all whipped down. There's snakes and everything else, turtles and all kinds of water moccasins, garter snakes, and black snakes. The river's high, so they come up here on the bank. But I don't have no whipper because that guy inside doesn't want to buy me anything. Everything goes to my brother and his kids. I don't get nothing.
No whipper.
So, no whipper.
You need like a weed whacker, Charlie?
Yeah.
Oh, you might have one. Let me check. I'll check at home when I go home, see if I have a weed whacker.
It's a lot of weed and rules about the river. You can't cut anything 25 feet back from the bank of the river. So if this tree, let's say I want to cut this tree down. Well, if it's 25 feet close to the bank of the river, I can't cut the tree down. So that's...
Government strikes again.
Government strikes again. Government mule. And then that tree over there, I want to see if I can get an axe and try to get that over.
That tree right there? That whole thing?
No, that one in the water.
Oh, okay.
I want to see if I can get that one.
That'd be quite the accomplishment there, Charlie.
Well, it's already broke. See?
Zoom in there.
All you got to do is take an axe to it in a sledgehammer, Betsy, and that thing will go right in with me. I'll swim over it with a dam.
Here.
Yeah, well, that's another thing. We're talking about Sanford Sons here. You notice this boat has moss on it, which means if it's been here for 10 years and nobody uses it, all the electrical things are all, you know, when you put stuff away, and like I tell you, you don't marry an Italian male. When you put stuff away, you cover it up. You take a boat cover. You make sure there's no moisture that can get in. No snow, no ice. These boats are so old, they've been here 12 years, probably throw them out. Get rid of them.
Probably the best thing for them.
You know?
You can go over the dam with them, maybe.
And then that over there, I want to get all those pickle buckets out of there. We don't need hoses and stuff like that. It's a terrorist attack. It's like the grill.
The grill? What's going on with the grill?
Well, you notice when I cook porterhouse steaks on the grill, and I'm a very good cook. My mother says I'm very good. Because I use a lot of marinade and stuff.
Yep.
So I use this grill here. I got to get a new one. But he used to have a tank. I don't know if he's... Yeah, see that tank over there?
The propane tank right there, yeah.
That's a bomb. If you don't store your hoses in your tank and you leave it out in the winter, it gets hot in the summer, it gets cold in the winter, what do you think is going to happen to the rubber hose?
It's gonna burst.
Exactly.
And
some poor soul like me, trying to do the right thing, got terrorized by a terrorist that left things out that did the wrong thing. But they're not wrong, so that's why everything's... See this love umbrella out there. Again, the Italian leaves the umbrella up all winter long. What's going to happen in a windstorm? The umbrella's going to break. What happened to the umbrella? Thrown out. So Now my love seat's got algae, ants. Tamara doesn't want to see that.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't want to sit on that.
No,
No interest.
no. So then he had this junk car.
That one right there is a different one.
It's a junk car, believe me. Look at the driveway. What do you see on the driveway? Oil spots. Now, if you notice how the Italian goes around it, see how he parks on the grass?
Yeah.
Why do you think he parks on the grass?
Because he didn't want to ruin the driveway, maybe?
It's because he can't repair his own car. So I got driveway cleaner. When the psychopath passes away, I'm gonna have to get all these spots out. She don't want to see any of this. All this.
No.
Does your car leak at your driveway?
No.
There you go. So he parks right here. You gotta understand. See that? That's Sanford Son over there with the guy in the hat on. See this here? This is Kentucky.
This is Tooky right here.
See? You get what that, and you gotta get a little bit of weeding going and put in some of the cucumbers on the other side. The funds or the money, it's all controlled by this guy here that doesn't know how to make a decision if you had to. And then over here.
I got you.
Let the people figure it out. Give the people what they want.
That's right. Don't let Payne tell you what to do.
See, you had these slats inside my French doors over there in the porch. What do you think happened? Let's go find out. On Instagram, why don't you follow me?
What's wrong with him, Charlie?
What's wrong with these people? Ask me any type of question. I got a lot of answers.
On the Instagram, there are exclusive clips that you won't see here on YouTube. So you gotta follow us if you want to see them. I have a couple example clips coming up behind. This is the kind of stuff you can't find on YouTube. This is Instagram exclusive. Follow at How Charlie Rolls on Instagram. Do it, or you're missing out. Jesus.
Yeah, the match will be narrated. Obviously, I narrate everything. So I'm gonna sunbathe all summer and get my ass burned real red. And then during the match, she's gonna slap me, and then it's gonna turn red, and I'm gonna be ow. Yeah, she ain't gonna like it when she finds out, but.